Good afternoon, teacher and partners. My name is Juan Jose Patiño, and I will to make my presentation about the case of a study. In this case, MC Call Limited Company. With the presentation, I will try to show you all of you the importance of the correct way to make an export using the Incoterms and using the suggested case of a study. Talking about the nature of cargo, I consider myself as dangerous cargo. Being volatile can cause environmental damage. The Incoterms used by the company in this case: FOB, free on board; CFR, cost and freight; CPT, carriage paid to; CIF, cost, insurance, freight; CIP, carriage and insurance paid; DAT, delivered and terminal; DAP, delivered or placed; DDP, delivered duty pay. Describe the documents using in the FI: commercial invoice, picking list, bill, consignment note, MTO, insurance policy, certificate of origin, export license, and airway bill. Of documents using in what the FI. In my opinion, the most important is, if I need to choose only one, I prefer choose the commercial invoice, because there you can find who sell, who buy, the company information like ID, address, phone numbers, the cargo description and cost, something like that. Now I will to explain the containers and pallets used in logistics process. The containers are portable and resistant elements that allow the location and the stacking of the merchandise, forming a unit of load for this later manipulation and storage, either manually or by means and handling equipment. This class of container is can make in aluminum and plastic, iron. Pallets. The pallets are part of a load unit that is transported through to the use of different mechanical elements. Okay, this is my short presentation. I hope it's useful for all of you. And now I show you one documents using in this presentation. Thank you so much and see you later. Have a nice day.